What's going on, my peoples? Today we're cooking up some snow crab leg once again. We're trying to make it lemon pepper style. So we're gonna go ahead and season it up right now. Okay, we're gonna put some complete seasoning in there. We're gonna get right to the point today. Some complete seasoning in there. All over. Get it all over. And put a lot of lemon pepper in there. Put a lot of lemon pepper in there. Get it nice and lemony. Yeah. Just a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna add some of this stuff in there. That should do it. That should cook it up nice and lovely right there. So for my dipping sauce today, I'm trying something new today, man. I'm gonna be trying carrot gold, garlic and herb butter. But today I'm gonna be adding in there. I'm gonna be adding zesty Italian dressing, a little fish sauce, a little hot sauce. And after I finish making this dip right here, I will let you know how it tastes, because this is, I know when you look at all this stuff, you're thinking to yourself like, what the heck? So let's go, let's try this out. So I added the butter in the pot and shook up the Italian sauce. Add some of that. Add some of that to it. We'll add a lot of that to it. Now, let me get the hot sauce. Add a little hot sauce, not too much. I don't want the hot sauce to overpower the dip. Now I'm gonna add me some of this. Mix it up. Let me tell you, cooking is all about creativity. Creativity. So I'm saying, you gotta, like, sometimes you gotta go to the grocery store with nothing in mind to cook. And I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. But this look like nice dipping sauce, to be honest with you. Turn this off. Let's check on our crab. Now as soon as this thing boils up, it'll pretty much be done. But I want to test out the dipping sauce while I'm making this video. Make sure everything get nice and mixed up in here. Add a little bit more complete seasoning. Make sure everything is going proper in here. You guys know that snow crab leg is my favorite. So let me take a taste of this dipping sauce, people. So I took a taste of this sauce that I just created, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this got a nice little zest to it that'll go perfectly with snow crab legs. So if y'all want to try this out, go ahead and try it out. My only recommendation is not to put as much Italian sauce as I did. That's my only recommendation. Time for me to go enjoy my snow crab leg. I hope you enjoyed this video.